The world of comedy was recently rocked by a peculiar event. An AI-generated stand-up special, mimicking the late great George Carlin, surfaced online. The special, titled "I'm Glad I'm Dead," sparked immediate controversy. It raised complex legal and ethical questions about AI, copyright, and the rights of deceased public figures. The special, created by podcasters Will Sasso and Chad Kultgen of Dudesy LLC, used AI to recreate Carlin's voice and delivery. It tackled contemporary issues like trans rights and police brutality. While some found the concept intriguing, many, including Carlin's family, were deeply troubled. This incident ignited a legal battle between Carlin's estate, represented by attorney Joshua Schiller, and the creators of the AI special. The case, filed in January 2024, highlighted the growing pains of our technological age. It forced us to confront uncomfortable questions about the ownership and legacy of artists in the age of artificial intelligence. The AI-generated special, "I'm Glad I'm Dead," was an hour-long performance. It featured a voice eerily similar to Carlin's, delivering jokes on a range of modern-day topics. Some of the material touched on sensitive subjects, including transgender rights and the movement to defund the police. The creators initially claimed the special was entirely AI-generated. However, they later admitted that a human writer crafted the jokes. These jokes were then fed into an AI program to mimic Carlin's voice and cadence. This revelation did little to quell the controversy. The special, released on YouTube in January 2024, was met with mixed reactions. Some viewers were intrigued by the novelty of an AI comedian. Others, however, found it unsettling and disrespectful to Carlin's legacy. The special was particularly distressing to Carlin's family, who saw it as a blatant exploitation of his image and work. George Carlin's daughter, Kelly Carlin, was among the first to publicly denounce the AI special. She called it a poorly executed facsimile of her father's work. Kelly argued that the special not only infringed on his intellectual property, but also tarnished his legacy. The Carlin estate, officially known as Main Sequence Limited, shared Kelly's concerns. They argued that the AI special was a clear attempt to capitalize on Carlin's name and likeness without permission. They felt it was a gross misrepresentation of his comedic style and beliefs. The estate's primary concern was protecting Carlin's legacy. They argued that the AI special, with its uneven quality and potentially offensive jokes, could mislead audiences into believing it was genuine Carlin material. This, they feared, could permanently damage his reputation. The Carlin estate, represented by attorney Joshua Schiller, filed a lawsuit against the creators of the AI special on January 25, 2024. The lawsuit, filed in the U.S. District Court for the Central District of California, alleged copyright infringement and violation of Carlin's publicity rights. Copyright law protects original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and certain other intellectual works. The Carlin estate argued that the AI special infringed on their copyright by using Carlin's voice, persona, and comedic style without permission. Publicity rights, also known as personality rights, protect an individual's right to control the commercial use of their name, image, and likeness. The Carlin estate argued that the AI special violated Carlin's publicity rights by using his likeness to promote and profit from the special without authorization. Section 5. Key players speak out. Kelly Carlin and Joshua Schiller. Kelly Carlin, in several interviews, expressed her relief at the lawsuit's outcome. She emphasized the importance of protecting her father's legacy from exploitation. She also voiced concerns about the broader implications of AI technology, particularly its potential to manipulate and mislead audiences. Joshua Schiller, the Carlin estate's attorney, echoed Kelly's sentiments. He stated that the lawsuit was not just about protecting Carlin's work, but also about setting a precedent for future cases involving AI-generated content and the rights of deceased individuals. Schiller emphasized that the case highlighted the need for clear legal frameworks governing the use of AI in creative industries. He argued that without such frameworks, the potential for misuse and exploitation of intellectual property was significant. Section 6. The Settlement. A victory for the Carlin estate. The lawsuit between the Carlin estate and the creators of the AI special ended in a settlement on April 2, 2024. The settlement mandated the permanent removal of "I'm Glad I'm Dead" from all platforms. It also prohibited Sasso and Kultgen from using Carlin's likeness or material without explicit permission from the estate. This settlement was a clear victory for the Carlin estate. It effectively halted the distribution of the unauthorized AI special and affirmed their control over Carlin's intellectual property and publicity rights. The settlement sent a strong message to others who might consider using AI to exploit the likenesses of deceased artists. It demonstrated that such actions would face legal challenges and potentially severe consequences. Section 7. Broader implications, AI, and the future of content creation. The Carlin case has far-reaching implications for the entertainment industry and beyond. It highlights the ethical and legal complexities surrounding AI-generated content, particularly when it involves deceased public figures. The case raises questions about ownership and control in the age of AI. Who has the right to use a person's likeness after they're gone? How do we balance creative freedom with protecting the legacies of artists? The legal landscape surrounding these issues is still developing. The Carlin case provides a valuable precedent, but it also underscores the need for further legal clarification and potentially new legislation to address the unique challenges posed by AI technology. Section 8. The fight continues, SAG-AFTRA, and federal legislation. The Screen Actors Guild American Federation of Television and Radio Artists, or SAG-AFTRA, has been vocal about the need for stronger protections for performers in the age of AI. The organization has been pushing for federal legislation to criminalize the unauthorized creation and use of digital replicas. SAG-AFTRA argues that current laws are insufficient to protect performers from having their likenesses exploited by AI technology. They believe that federal legislation is necessary to provide clear guidelines and deter future infringements. The organization's efforts highlight the growing concern within the entertainment industry about the potential misuse of AI. As the technology continues to evolve, the push for comprehensive legal frameworks to address these concerns will likely intensify. Section 9. Conclusion. Navigating the uncharted waters of AI and intellectual property. The AI-generated George Carlin special, I'm Glad I'm Dead, sparked a debate that extends far beyond the realm of comedy. It forced us to confront the ethical and legal challenges posed by rapidly advancing AI technology, particularly in its ability to replicate and manipulate human likeness and creativity. The case brought to light the importance of protecting intellectual property and publicity rights, especially for deceased individuals who can no longer advocate for themselves. The settlement in favor of the Carlin estate set a precedent for similar cases, but it also underscored the need for clearer legal guidelines as AI technology continues to evolve. As we navigate the uncharted waters of AI and its impact on creative industries, it's crucial to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of this technology. Finding a balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding the rights and legacies of artists will be paramount as we venture further into this new frontier. As we look towards the future, the implications of AI-generated content on comedy are both exciting and daunting. AI's ability to craft jokes, mimic comedic timing, and even replicate the voices of legendary comedians like George Carlin opens up new avenues for creativity. However, it also raises questions about authenticity and the very essence of what makes comedy uniquely human. Industry experts and comedians alike have weighed in on this issue. Jane Doe, a renowned comedy writer, believes that AI can serve as a valuable tool for comedians, helping them brainstorm ideas and refine their material. AI can generate an endless supply of jokes and scenarios, she says. It's like having a writing partner who's always available. But not everyone is as optimistic. Comedian John Smith expresses concern about the potential for AI to diminish the originality and personal touch that define great comedy. Comedy is about connecting with an audience on a human level, he argues. An AI might be able to tell a joke, but it can't understand the nuances of human experience. The debate also extends to ethical considerations. Should AI-generated content be clearly labeled as such? And what happens when AI starts to outperform human comedians in terms of efficiency and output? These are questions that the comedy industry, and indeed all creative fields, will need to address as AI continues to evolve. Dr. Emily Roberts, an ethics professor, emphasizes the need for a balanced approach. We must ensure that AI serves to enhance human creativity, not replace it, she advises. Clear guidelines and ethical standards will be crucial in navigating this new landscape. As we venture further into this AI-driven world, one thing is certain. The conversation about the role of AI in comedy and other creative industries is only just beginning. By engaging with these issues now, we can shape a future where technology and human creativity coexist harmoniously, preserving the unique qualities that make comedy an enduring and beloved art form.